So yeah, moving right along here. Oh, this thing looks crazy on this little rotisserie. These engine stands actually work out pretty good. So as you can see, this side's pretty well done, besides, you know, finish welding everything, but I'm gonna go through and weld all that in. Got plates started over here, and you do a little sucking in and welding there. Getting ready to cut this piece, make some new pieces for the back, and then weld this sucker up. Now we're getting there, bud. We're getting there. It's looking good. I mean, Mel decided to do something cool with the frame, so that'll be nice. We're gonna be color matching it to the darker green color. Maybe adding a little extra flake to her. So that'll be sweet. Color match it to that. Maybe add some extras to it. So let me show you guys something here. See if you guys can figure out what the plans are for it. Oh yeah. Well, what this is, if you haven't already found out, Mel decided to do a Blackmagic long arm kit. So this sucker's gonna be pretty nasty. So I've never installed a Blackmagic long arm kit, but it looks pretty simple. I mean, they kind of go all out and make all the right bends for you. These are the lowers now. So look at those suckers. Huge. I mean, that's my hand. And these suckers are big. These are the new uppers, and then they give you brackets. So the brackets, now your upper arms are actually going to mount in the same spot as your lowers did. So they angled the upper arms to fit where your lowers bolted up. So these brackets are for your lower arms, and I'm not exactly sure where they're going to go, but they're going to go somewhere in this area and then somewhere down here. We're just gonna have to mock up the rear end and figure out where they got to lay, and then you can bolt these in place if you want to, or you can weld them in place, which is what we're gonna do. Is we're gonna weld them in place. So yeah, you excited, Eric? What? Is that your water bottle, Eric?
Yeah.
Brought that from home?
I did.
Cool. What are my kids doing? Who's watching my kids? Nobody watching my kids? So yeah, that'll be sweet. Plan on doing a full-on guys are doing good. I plan on doing a full-on legitimate video of installing that, just to kind of give anybody out there an idea of how that installs. But I'm gonna wait until the frame's all ready to go before I really dive into, because I don't know how to install it yet, so I'm not gonna make a video showing how to do it when I have no clue. So once the frame's all ready to actually bolt everything up for good, then I'll make a legitimate video on how to install those, but it looks pretty user-friendly.